All right, let's do it. Some personal boxes. We got Live Golf Prizm, Live Golf on release day. 2 boxes. Thank him and good luck. Also have a Donruss and a Prizm basketball. Varner, Silver Prizm, Hatton, Rom, Vincent, and Surratt. David Puig, Silver Prizm Rookie, and a Brooks Aces Silver. Martin Kamer, Silver Captains, and another Silver Rookie, Mark Leishman. Bryson on the Prizm break. Martin Kamer, Rookie. Ogletree, Rookie. John Rahm, Rookie Base, John Rahm. Statistical Leader, Silver, Cam Smith. Kevin Na on the Captain's Silver. That one's numbered to 199. Must be a blue or something. Ortiz Rookie. And there's the auto. It's Martin Kamer. The auto is Martin Kamer. John Rahm, Silver. Rookie, that's a variation there. John Rahm, Silver Cup variation rookie. Reed, DJ, Perez, and Warner on that. And a prismatic Cameron Tringale. Hatton, Rookie. Cam Smith, Rookie. Silver Rookie, Scott Vincent. John Rahm on the Captain's Silver. Carlos Ortiz. This one's numbered to 149 on the Prismatic Silver. Carlos Ortiz. Neiman, Rookie. Silver. There's a green one. Quad green with Brooks on it. Numbered to 54. Koepka at a 54. And that's it for the first box on the Live Prizm Golf Hobby on release date. Box number 2. Kamer, Rookie. Ogletree, Rookie. Rookie Silver, Taylor Gooch. Kieran Vincent on the parallel there. That one's numbered to 299 on the Rookie at a 299. And a Koepka Fearless. I thought these are fairly cheap. I don't know, maybe they're not going to hold good single value, but I thought they're pretty cheap price. Ian Poulter Silver, Kozuma on the silver, and a green with Rahm on it. That one is out of, wow, that's a low numbered one there. 18, 3 of 18. That is a weird number there. Low numbered 18 with John Rahm. And that was another John Rahm rookie base in there also. Hatton, Cam Smith. Silver Crushers, Charles Howe silver, and a Kevin Na on the kaleidoscopic. Silver, Poulter, Stenson, Westwood, Brooks on the blue captains. That is numbered to 99 on the Koepka. Koepka captains blue out of 99, and Sam Horsfield is out of 149 on the prismatic. So a couple of numbered there. Nice Brooks. Bryson, first one. Another Bryson. DJ, and there's the auto. It's David Puig. David Puig is the auto in this box. Silver Burmeister rookie, Kevin Na silver captains. Bryson captain. Vincent rookie, John Rahm. Chakera rookie silver. A Range Goat silver, and a Bubba Dominance. Next up, it's also release day for this product, which I don't believe has downtowns this year. There's some other short print insert, Night Vision or Night something. I looked at it and I can't remember what it's called. This is 24-25 Donruss Hobby Basketball with 300 cards. 30 cards per pack, 10 packs in a box. I'll have to sort out some more base over the weekend, man. That was a project in itself today and yesterday. Actually, these are kind of, I can maybe set them like that. Some rookies. Sadiq Bey is out of 149. Zero Gravity Luka. Be cool if he was in a Laker uniform in this, but Crunch Time, Ant Edwards, Hardwood Joker, Swish Steph Curry. Some rookies, Jerry McCain, Jones, Kling. There is the auto. That's pretty nice, actually. It's a Clippers auto of Cam Christie. Rookie auto on card. On card rookie auto. Cam Christie. Reminds me of the Pen Pal autos. That style. Buzelis rated rookie. Josh Hart out of 125. Joker on the swish this time. Luka swish. Reed Shepherd rookie marbles. Zero Gravity. Buzelis again. Ooh, that's nice. Ant Edwards red marbles parallel out of 75. Anthony Edwards, number to 75 on the red marbles. Nice card. Lots of Joker inserts. Dalton Connect, rookie. Cam Johnson's out of 49. For the Nets on the blue, Cam Johnson. Marvel, Zion, and Ant. Brawny. And we got a redemption. It's interesting. We already got the... How many autos are in these? It's only supposed to be one auto, right? Nice. Well, that's good. Zach Edey, rated rookie out of 99. That's cool. Rated rookie Zach Edey on the red, number to 99. That's a nice one. Oh, this is a press proof. Okay, that's why it's in there like that. Unleashed Jaw, Victor on the swish. Brawny Marvels rookie. And what do we have here? An extra hit. Rated rookie signatures, card number 299, Trenton Flowers on the redemption. Trenton Flowers redemption auto. So we got a bonus in this box. Makes up for when they don't have them sometimes. Reed Shepard. Luca. Hardwood Masters and LeBron Crunch Time. Giannis. Excuse me. Alexander Sarr, rated rookie. This one's out of 199 on the rookie Salon, rated rookie Salon, number to 199. And a Joker Swish parallel. That is not numbered. Foil of sort. Shea and LeBron inserts. KD. Pretty good box. Rookie of Zachariah. How do you say his last name? Risish. Oh man, I need to watch some more hoops this year, because I don't know how you pronounce his name, and he's a big one. Number to 149, George for the Wizards. Number to 149. And there's a Giannis on the Marvels parallel. Lots of cool inserts. Klingon rookie Marvels. Luca Unleashed. I like this dude, Stephon Castle. Zach Edey again. Maybe some of these guys, maybe this class will turn out better than what people expect, because right now this stuff's cheap. All of it. When can you ever get Prizm for under 1,000, let alone 600 bucks? Out of 199, Gary Trent. Ja on the Marvels. LeBron again, Unleashed. And there's a rookie of Reed Shepard on the swish. Tatum Marvels. And there is Castle numbered. Stephon Castle out of 125 for the Spurs. Rated rookie numbered out of 125, and a purple Giannis marble. Steph and Victor inserts. That'll do it on the Donruss. $24.25 Prizm Basketball Hobby Box coming up. Got 12 packs with 12 cards each and 2 hits. I thought that was a pretty good box, man. What'd you think? A lot of nice numbered. Some cool inserts. Extra hit. Yeah, I like it. I agree. No downtowns, but they it seems like they kind of loaded it up with numbers and cool inserts and star players. So that's cool. Cody Williams, rookie blue in the first pack out of 199. Cody Williams for the Utah Jazz, rookie blue out of 199. If you can send now, man, I'm not. If you can send now, I'll do it. But I'm heading out after these. Luck of the lottery, Devin Carter, rookie silver. Couple of rookies here. That's Mogbo, Tyler Smith on the rookies. Or we can do them tomorrow. They aren't going anywhere. I got 8. I think I got at least 8. Yeah, I got 8. I got a Terry Rozier on the silver. Looks like this could be, nope, silver. Lonzo Ball. Thought it was an auto. Klintman and Shireman on the rookies. Okay. Vince Carter, Vinsanity, one of my favorites there. That one is a red, and it's out of 225 on the Carter. And, oh, this is really cool. This is numbered to 25, 11 of 25, Sensational Signatures, KG. Kevin Garnett is the first auto. See, now, they don't have big rookies and stuff, and some of the guys signed with Fanatics, so this is pretty cool that they're putting some old school autos in there. Kevin Garnett, and it's numbered to 25. That's really cool. Vince Carter was red and out of 225. And there's an Alexander Sarr rookie base. Luka. Dame Lillard. Cam Spencer, rookie silver. Rookie silver for the Grizzlies. Cam Spencer. Reed Shepherd on the Fireworks rookie. Rissaker. I got to figure out how to pronounce his name. There's the base card of him. Man, I watched a thing on him too. And I just forget how you say it because I haven't seen his highlights really this year. My son only cares about the Lakers for the most part, so we follow them and not a whole lot else. This one's out of 60. That's a low-numbered rookie right there. Hopefully he turns into something. KJ Simpson Jr., rookie for the Hornets. And that one's out of 60 on the orange. And there's a Castle. Mitchell and Barisic and my man Penny. Chris Middleton silver, Butler, Castle rookie base. It is a red, Gilbert Arenas, red, non-numbered. And we got Jordan Hawkins on the parallel. Bronny James on the rookie silver kaleidoscopic. They switched it up. It's really hard to read. But that's a Bronny silver rookie. Another boy on the blue cracked ice there, whatever, out of 125. Andre Drummond's a silver. Topic and Williams on the rookies. Isaiah Stewart is red, non-numbered. And the second hit is a rookie auto this time. It's Trey Alexander for the Denver Nuggets. Trey Alexander, sensational signatures rookie for Denver. Jalen Brunson, Newton rookie. Buzelis rookie parallel. Buzelis rookie parallel there, and maybe a rookie silver LeBron. Yeah, Bronny James, rookie silver Prizm. Bronny. Dr. J, red is out of 299. Non-numbered red, Trae Young. Collier rookie and the Missy rookie. Barisic, that is white out of 175 on the rookie for the Atlanta Hawks. Number to 175, white parallel. Barisic out of 175. Kyrie is silver. Fractal Wemby. Holmes rookie. Da Silva rookie. Let me know if you want to pick the boxes or me just grab two. You can send the picture again if you want. I'll get these couple sleeved up. It's a pretty good box. The autos weren't great, but some nice numbered in color. Not bad at under $600. Got it. Random 2. Got a random 2. Okay.